everyone, where GCM Coffee Station is located in Purok Nuevo, Bonifacio Street, Valencia City, Bukidnon. And the GCM station is a popular spot for coffee lovers. The restaurant offers a variety of coffee drinks, teas, and light snacks in a cozy and relaxing atmosphere. When you enter GCM Coffee Station in Valencia City, you're welcomed by a cozy, relaxed atmosphere. The smell of freshly brewed coffee fills the air, and the friendly staff makes you feel right at home. Whether you're here for a quick coffee or a snack, it's the perfect spot to unwind and enjoy a warm drink. The staff here goes above and beyond, attentive, friendly. They offer a variety of specialty drinks, including milkshake with high-quality ingredients. Known for its specialty coffee, Bluebell serves rich flavor espresso drinks. They focus on high-end coffee and provide an elevated coffee experience. I highly recommend coming here to enjoy the full experience for yourself. Trust me, you'll leave satisfied and already planning your next visit. So come down to GCM station where the great snacks, milkshakes, and coffee and fantastic service await. This restaurant have a great snacks, drinks, and warm lightning and a friendly vibe. It's the perfect place to enjoy a coffee, milkshake, or a snacks with friends and family. With cozy seatings, warm lightning, and a friendly vibe, it's a perfect place to enjoy a coffee, milkshake, or a meal with friends. I choose to feature the same station because it's a place that consistently delivers on its promises. Top-notch food, milkshakes, and a coffee, a welcoming atmosphere, and a service that makes you feel like family. If you're looking for a memorable dining experience, I highly recommend this restaurant. Have a great snacks, drinks, and a perfect place to enjoy a coffee, milkshake, or a snacks with friends and family. Whether you're into a classic chocolate or ready to try something new like our matcha series, and we also have a snacks, and every sip is a moment of pure joy. The atmosphere at the same station is described as a casual, with a laid-back vibe that makes it a great spot for friends and families to gather. Whether you're sitting indoors or enjoying the fresh air outside, the space is designed to make diners feel at ease. The location of the same station is also appreciated for being easy to find and accessible, which makes it a convenient stop for both locals and tourists passing through the area. In short, the same station in Valencia City offers good food, friendly service, and comfortable environment that makes it a popular destination for people looking to relax and enjoy a meal.